So we had somebody let us know that they ran into a telephone pole, really messed it up. So we've got to replace obviously this arm, almost every single one of the propellers. He knocked off the spraying module, which is supposed to look like that. He knocked it off completely, stripped some wires. We're gonna have to replace some wiring. Here we go.
Okay, so now we just pulled off the arm, and then we're gonna have to take out the outer casing and inspect the wiring inside to see if that needs to be replaced as well, and then completely replace the spray nozzle and the other outer parts.
So right now we're working on fixing the sprayer module, and we're just reclaiming it. We took that wiring harness out of the arm, which used to be in an arm like this one, but now, as you can tell, that's the one that broke off. We took one of the motors off, one side of that, so that we could take everything out. And then what we're gonna end up doing is just replacing the motor and the ESC, or not replacing them, but putting them back on a new arm. So we got our other arm to put on the drone that was broken. This is a new style arm right here. On the end right here, it's not just a circle anymore. It actually, it's on the old one, it's just a circle.
I will be right back.
Oh, there it is. And that's the old bracket that used to be on it. With this one, it's got a circle, but it's got these tabs on the side, and the reason for those tabs is to help solidify it even more. Anyway, we're putting these two new brackets on here. They're individual brackets versus one bracket that just rounds it. Anyway, we're just about ready to put that new motor on, the ESC. Everything's the same as it was before otherwise. We'll update in a minute.
So we just put our arm back on, and then we wrapped all the wiring through this, and now we have to plug in these wiring cords, and then we'll put our propellers back on and the caps, and then it should be good to go. Okay, so we hooked up everything, and now we're test flying it, seeing if all the sensors work and if everything is working properly.
If it gets within 16 feet of this thing and it doesn't stop,
We're gonna go up to the granary and see if it will sense it.
stopping, it won't go forward.
There you go.
Emergency obstacle avoiding. I'm going a little bit faster with it. Try it again one more time.
Stop right there.
Stop it twice. Try it one more time, a little faster. That's it.